10 ways to make money online and earn good income. The internet offers great money-making opportunities for individuals with computer knowledge and skills required to thrive in this online medium. There are a number of ways to earn money online, but the 10 best possible ways to earn money online are: try selling things on the internet. That is the simplest way of making money online using the internet. Selling products on the internet through online shopping portals, virtual auction sites, or setting up a web store in your own website provides a great income opportunity to everyone who has something nice to sell to potential customers online. This is ideal for generating the required amount of revenue on a long-term basis and is the simplest of money-making options available online. For all those who believe that their photography skills can impress anyone, there is a great option to sell photos online and earn money. There are numerous stock photography agencies present online, which help you in selling your photos online. These agencies offer great incentives and income opportunities to budding photographers. The amount is paid on a per download basis to these photographers after getting the royalty payment rights from them. This is a very useful way to earn money online if you have the required skill set. Several message boards have many visitors to their sites. These message boards are dependent on regular contributions from the forum members to keep the community alive and the conversation growing. As the message boards get popular, there are chances that more members that are new will join the forum and get their queries solved or contribute towards the discussion. These message boards get the sufficient advertisements to pay to their most active members, who have been posting on a regular basis, thereby giving them a chance to earn some money. Through various social networking sites, it is actually possible to earn money while going through different profile of people who are members of these sites. Some social networking sites pay its users money to improve page impressions in their profile to attract more visitors. These sites also offer money for uploading and sharing pictures and referring new members to the social networking site. The money given to an individual depends on a proportionate payment structure set up by the site that distributes almost half of its advertising revenues to its members. Filling up surveys is another way to earn money online. Filling up market research survey may look like a very boring activity, but the opportunities to earn money in this type of work are endless. There are thousands of research groups online, which would like to take your opinion about various things and in that process, pay you for presenting your opinion. For each survey completed, there are certain points or money given out to the users. Once the money earning limit is hit, the survey team allows the user the opportunity to take the money or exchange the points for a certain amount of money. Another great way to earn money online is through blogs. The process of blogging can help users earn a lot of money online by putting in creative content in their blogs. There are two ways of going about this blogging activity. One is to create your own blog and write all the content on your own. This is a painful process where you need to do all the hard work to earn money. The second one is to set up a sponsored blog where you write reviews about products for companies wanting to promote their business. These blog sites pay you money for providing favorable opinion about a certain product. This is one of the best income opportunities present online. The internet provides the perfect platform for freelancers to earn money by providing services based on their skill sets. These may include talent such as writing, programming, graphic designing, and training. There are many websites where buyer posts their requirements for a particular assignment and freelancers can bid for that assignment. The buyer then selects the service provider for the assignment and assigns the task to them. This is one of the safest ways to earn money online, and the website takes a certain cut from your payment as the intermediary to have got you the job. It is more or less a win-win proposition for everyone involved. The three other ways to earn money online is by betting, setting up an online business, or by playing computer games. Each of these options provides different sort of earning potential and requires different amount of effort to set the ball rolling and generate the required amount of income for you. In a cutthroat online world of marketing, you need certain tools to make your business a successful one. I have learned from some of the very best big earners on the internet today, and I am rapidly creating a name for myself and my business. Let me show you the route I took to a better life and financial freedom. For more info, check out the link in the description.